हेलो एवरीवन, हाउ आर यू टुडे? आज हम एक नया वीडियो शुरू करेंगे, हाउ टू से थैंक यू एंड वेलकम। Great minds discuss ideas, average minds discuss events, small minds discuss peoples. Eleanor Roosevelt। आप इसमें से क्या हो? Are you a great mind? Are you an average mind? Are you a small mind? आप मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम किसके बारे में बात कर रहे हो? इसके ऊपर से आप डिसाइड कीजिए आप कौन हो। थैंक यू। थैंक यू कैसे कहते हैं? डिफरेंट टाइप्स, डिफरेंट वेज टू से थैंक यू। थैंक्स, सिंपल एज दैट। आप सिंपली बोल सकते हो थैंक्स। थैंक्स एक इनफॉर्मल टाइप में आता है थैंक्स, बिकॉज ये बहुत ही कैजुअल वे है। यू कैन जस्ट से थैंक्स or you can say thanks for so and so or whatever you are thanking the other person for. For example, thanks for dropping me home. Thanks a lot. अगर आपको और ज्यादा emphasize करना है thanks के लिए, thanks को, you can say thanks a lot. Again, this comes in informal. Thanks a ton. It is same as thanks a lot. इसमें सिर्फ थोड़ा डिफरेंट वे में, तो अगेन ये इनफॉर्मल में आता है, सो यू कैन से थैंक्स अ लॉट और थैंक्स अ टन। थैंक्स अ लॉट फॉर ड्रॉपिंग मी होम, थैंक्स अ टन फॉर ड्रॉपिंग मी होम, समथिंग लाइक दैट। नेक्स्ट, थैंक यू। अब हम देखेंगे फॉर्मल में थैंक यू कैसे बोलते हैं। दिस इज जस्ट मैंने फॉर्मल वे में दिखाया है, लेकिन ये इनफॉर्मल में भी यूज हो सकता है, बट स्पेसिफिक जो मैंने अर्लियर स्लाइड दिखाया था वो सिर्फ इनफॉर्मल में यूज करेंगे तो अच्छा है, बिकॉज दैट इज मोर कैजुअल वे ऑफ सेइंग थैंक यू। ये जो सब मैं ये स्लाइड में जो दिखाऊंगी वो फॉर्मल में यूज करना है, और ये सब आप इनफॉर्मल में भी यूज कर सकते हो। थैंक यू, एज सिंपल एज दैट, थैंक यू। और अगेन उसको एम्फसाइज करना है, आपको बताना है कि आप किसके लिए थैंक यू बोल रहे हैं। देन यू कैन से थैंक यू फॉर सो एंड सो। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, thank you for all your support. Second way, thank you very much. As simple as that. You don't want to emphasize, you don't want to tell them, आपको नहीं ज्यादा उसको लॉन्ग ज्यादा लंबाना है कि why you are thank you can just say thank you very much. I really appreciate it. In one sentence, if you want to say, you can say I really appreciate it. और अगर आपको आगे बताना है why you appreciate it, you can say I really appreciate whatever. For example, I really appreciate your effort on the project. Something like that. You are specifying what you really appreciate. Now this language, this statement normally formal, एकदम formal में ज़्यादा आता है. Generally, when you are writing emails or something like that, we really appreciate your effort, or we really appreciate your support. We really appreciate your prompt reply, something like that. Or as I said, if you are addressing your team members, you can say I really appreciate your efforts on the project, or your subordinates, whoever. You can say something like that. Or to your boss, you can say I really appreciate you considering my, my application for a leave or something like that. So you can say I really appreciate. I am truly grateful. Now again, I am truly grateful as a sentence भी use कर सकते हो, और इसको आपको और ज्यादा बताना है why you are truly grateful. You can say I am truly grateful to you for so and so. For example, I am truly grateful to you for taking out your valuable time. Specifically, this sentence is for the clients. अगर आप client से कोई appointment ले रहे हो और उन्होंने आपको कोई appointment दिया है, you have asked for an appointment and the client has given you a certain time for appointment or for a meeting. So you can say, I am truly grateful to you for taking out your valuable time. Now, again, valuable time, because always your clients, your customers' time is always valuable. Keep that in mind. So make sure you say, whenever you say something like this, you say your valuable time. Okay, again, this comes in formal. Now, welcome. So if आपने थैंक यू बोला, सामने वाले ने भी आप सपोज सामने वाले ने आपको थैंक यू बोला, you are supposed to say welcome. So welcome की कैसे हम लोग different types, how can you say welcome in different forms, different ways. You're welcome, as simple as that. If कुछ नहीं आता है, this is the basic thing. You can just say someone is saying thank you. You can say you're welcome. No problem. Thank you for picking up my groceries. Oh, no problem. This is again a casual way, an informal way. No problem. Anytime. Thank you for inviting me Thank you for inviting me to your dinner or to your party. Anytime. Anytime is more gracious. मतलब, I can invite you anytime. If you can call me up anytime you want. It's very nice. I like that. So you can always say anytime. Again, anytime comes in informal. My pleasure. I like this one too. My pleasure. Again, this comes in informal. Suppose if anyone is saying, thank you for picking up my kids from the school. My pleasure. Or something like that. Or thank you for this such a thoughtful gift. My pleasure. It's like, it was my pleasure to buy you this. It was such a pleasure to buy a gift for you. Something like that. It's all right. This is also a form of informal welcome. So if someone is saying, thank you for dropping me home. Oh, it's all right. It's nothing. No problem. It's all right. The pleasure's all mine. Again, this comes a little bit in informal communication. My pleasure is short for the pleasure is all mine. So my pleasure mostly comes in informal. आप informally किसी friend को बोल रहे हो, you can just say it in short, my pleasure. But if you are saying in a formal situation, I would suggest to rather say the pleasure's all mine. सुनने में थोड़ा classy लगता है. You're most welcome. Again, this comes in formal. So it's in formal situation, someone is thank you for your appointment, sir, thank you for your time. You're most welcome. Again, this sounds a little bit classy. Practice. Use different ways to say thank you and welcome during text messaging. I know, अब इतने सारे मैंने आपको टाइप्स बताया है, thank you कैसे बोलना है, different ways to say thank you, different ways to say welcome. लेकिन नॉर्मल स्पीच में, स्पोकन में हम लोग नॉर्मली सिर्फ थैंक यू एंड वेलकम यूज करते हैं. इतना आसानी से दिमाग में नहीं आता. नो इश्यूज. आप व्हाट्सएप में चैट करते हो या किसी भी और मैसेजिंग सर्विस में चैट तो करते ही होंगे. सो इन दैट आपको थोड़ा टाइम मिलता है सामने वाले को रिप्लाई करने के लिए. तो उस टाइम आप सोच सकते हो, आप थोड़ा याद कर सकते हो डिफरेंट वेज टू से थैंक यू, different ways to say welcome. Use different ways to say thank you and different ways to say welcome, so that आपका practice होगा and वो जो words different words मैंने आपको दिखाया वो सब आपके दिमाग में बैठेंगे. और जब एक बार आपके दिमाग में बैठेंगे, उसके बाद once you are all practiced with writing, try to bring it in your spoken language also. तो एक बार आपको दिमाग में बैठ गया तो you can always bring it in your spoken language. Always remember, the more you practice, the more you will become better. Okay? So thank you. This was a very short video on how to say thank you and welcome. Okay? See you in next lesson. Till then, goodbye.